Hello, this is a tutorial or walkthrough of the batch generator dashboard made to help clients visualize different configurations for test runs in the simulation. Start off by selecting a directory to save your files and results. You can create a batch or look at results. Throughout, you can select many different properties and configure them and customize them to your liking. The 3D sensor editor allows you to adjust the position and rotation of the sensor on the vehicle that you've chosen. You can select from many different types of sensors, including a viewport camera, which is used in the simulation. If you want to view the vehicle in the simulator viewport, you will need this type of camera. We're just going to pick the default for now. In scenarios, you can choose closed loop, even customize your own JSON file for it. But we're going to go ahead and choose a replay and replay step. Next, you can customize your own weather scenario by changing the color and other properties in the weather configuration. Now I'm almost done. I'm going to select a weather configuration file and add it. Now I have everything I need to deploy and run. Here I could edit the simulator configuration if I need to, such as changing the physical materials. Name the batch and begin. As you can see, all the batches will be listed here, and this one is processing still. If you have your UUT running in the background as well as the simulation running, you can visually see it running the tests. When a test is done, I can refresh the page and see the new results. You can choose to replay a scenario by clicking the replay button, or you can click on the scenario itself and see its details. On View Data Detail File, you will see a zip file with the JSON configuration files as well as the results. For further information about how to run the simulation or how to write your own unit under test configuration file, please check out the docs for monoDrive.